Wart. Wart is a common grainy growth over the skin. They are supposed to be caused by the human papilloma virus. There are more than 80 types of human papilloma virus. Warts are occurring on the different body parts. There are the different types of a wart according to the location and form of the wart. The common wart are mostly occurring over the different body surfaces. Flat wart are mostly found on the hand surfaces and sometimes over the face. There are other type of wart that is called as filiform wart. There are pedunculated wart mostly found over the face. Plantar wart. Plantar wart are found on the soles of the feet. They are causing the difficulty in the walking. Another type of wart is called as periangular wart. The periangular wart are mostly found over the near the nails of the fingers and toes. Another variety is called as genital warts or condylomata acuminata. They are mostly found over the genital area. Another type of wart is called as water wart, although they are not the warts, that is molluscum contagiosum. They are water-filled bumps over the skin. Now, the treatment part. We have seen different patients coming to us with the different types of wart and who had tried all the different sort of medications. Most of the time patient come to us with cauterization, different type of cauterization like chemical cauterization, like cryosurgery, like applying many chemical things. Sometimes patient has come to us with the application of detergent powder or sometimes lime. They are strictly not advisable. In homeopathy, we treat the warts with the different homeopathic medicine according to the symptoms of the patient, but only a single simple medicine at a time. In homeopathy, we consider miasm as the primary cause for the warts. There are the different types of warts: soric warts, psychotic warts, and the syphilitic warts. We select the homeopathic medicine according to the symptoms of the patient, according to the miasm of the patient, according to the location of the warts, according to the color of the wart. In this video, I am going to show the different types of wart which has been treated successfully with homeopathic medication only at our clinic. All the cases are which I am going to show before you have been treated only with only single simple medicine. We have never advised any external application or any of the such cases, and viewers are advised never to self-medicate themselves without the consent of any physician, without the consultation of the physician. Although it is said that warts are self-curable, most of the times it is said that warts are cured within 6 months spontaneously or its own. But I have seen in my practice the warts occurring or propagating in a person since more than 4 years, since more than 6 years. So I am going to present before you the different types of wart from the very long duration which has come to us after trying so many medications. Common wart, they are mostly found over the face, over the hand. This case of common wart was suffering since more than 6 years. They were initially fallen off, but at this time when the patient presented to us, these warts were since more than 2 years, and he has tried all sorts of the things, including cauterization, has burned with this incense stick. He has cut with the razor, but wart was not curing. I have tried so many medicines with the just indication or on the appearance basis, but when I have resorted to the constitutional medicine, I have tried so many medicines according to the appearance, but all in the when I have tried. constitutional medicine according to the personality of the patient, according to the nature of the patient, staphylococcus comes out, and staphylococcus drug transfer word like miracle in this case. कितना दिन से है
ये लगभग 7-8-6 साल पहले निकला था, तो फिर सही हो गया था यही से।
अभी कितना दिन से है?
अभी 1.5-2 साल से है।
1.5-2 साल। और जला भी चुके हो, सब होम्योपैथिक दवाई भी करते थे?
जी जी।
This is another case of flat wart. These flat warts were on the face of this child since more than 6 years. I have tried many medicines according to the symptoms, according to the appearance, but failed. Ultimately, I have arrived at the constitutional medicine. I have taken full case according to the personality of the patient, according to the nature behavior of the patient, and sulfur 0/1 drug transfer has worked like a miracle. His face got almost cleared in the just 1 or 2 months. This, as I have already told you, that it is said that warts are occurring spontaneously cured within 1 year, but this case was suffering since more than 6 years, and homeopathy has blessed this. सबसे वाला प्रॉब्लम था आपको कितना पुराना था जब आप मेरे पास इलाज के लिए आए थे? कितने साल हो गए थे आपको ये निकले हुए?
ये कम से कम 8 साल, 8 नहीं तो 6-7 साल हो गए।
6-7 साल से था आपके पास। इसका क्या क्या इलाज किया था अभी तक आपने?
इलाज तो बहुत जगह हुआ था।
So this is a case of filiform wart, the wart with the peduncle. This case was suffering since more than 1 year, and this person was annoyed with so much warts on the face. This case is referred to me by one of the physician, and this case has responded very well to the drug transfer of Thuja 0/1. One thing which I want to share with you, that never try to self-medicate yourself. However, seems the condition similar to your condition, because one thing which I want to share with you, that never try to self-medicate yourself by seeing these cases, because we consider a lot of things before prescription. कितने साल से बना है?
एक लगभग बन जाता है साल भर से ऊपर बन जाता है।
साल भर से ऊपर। दवा लेने के कितने दिन के बाद से ये सब चले गए थे? कितना दिन हो गया गायब हुए ये? हाँ,
करीब हो जाते 15 दिन तक थे।
15 दिन। आपसे आप झड़ गए?
हाँ।
ठीक। This case of plantar wart, the wart on the feet sole and also on the palm. This case was suffering since more than 4 years. He had difficulty in the walking. He was also suffering with the hyperhidrosis. So I have selected Silesia 0/1 and transmitted that drug. Silesia was the constitutional medicine for this person, and this wart has been cleared just in 2 months. हाँ दिखाओ जरा इसे। कब से आ रहा है तुमको पसीना का ये प्रॉब्लम?
पसीना तो बहुत दिन से आ रहा है। इसका जो है तकरीबन 3 से 4 साल हो रहा है।
और ऊपर कर दें। ये 3-4 साल से है।
पहले एक ही था, 1 साल में ज़्यादा हो गया।
घट्टे वाला कितना दिन में दवाई में ठीक हो गया था? कितने दिन के बाद झड़ गए थे ये सब?
1 महीना भी नहीं हुआ खत्म हो गया।
अच्छा। This case of angular wart has come to me from Bihar, and this person was suffering with so much warts and flat warts on the hand, and he was so annoyed because he was an insurance agent, and when he had to greet any person with shaking hand, a person pull his hand because you can see the white on his hand. This case has responded very well to the drug transfusion of Medorinum 0/1 according to the case. This was the angular wart and the flat warts on the hand. Molluscum contagiosum or water wart, although they are not wart, but these are the viral infection. The diagnostic feature of this molluscum contagiosum is the puckered scar or umbilicated scar. This child was suffering since more than 1 year with these bumps, and tuberculum 0/1 has worked like miracle in this case. I have been referred to this case by the father of this child, who was also suffering with the molluscum contagiosum since very long time, and he has been cured with drug transfusion of Lycopodium 0/1 according to the case. What I want to stress that in homeopathy, although the seemingly similar cases are dealt with a different medicine according to the individuality of the patient, not just by the appearance or by the name of the disease. कितने महीने हो गए इसको हुए हुए कुल? साल भर हो गया होगा पूरा?
ये था यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये था, तो हाँ साल भर हो गया। सिर्फ ये था, ये बड़ा सा है शोल्डर पे, साल भर हो गया। फिर ये धीरे धीरे धीरे
अब इसमें किसी तरह का कोई दिक्कत
नहीं, अब तो कुछ नहीं।
सब ठीक हो गया ना? बस ठीक है। Thank you for watching this video. If this video has helped you, please click on the like and subscribe button. Shares are always welcome.